Have you ever felt like no matter how much you budget, your money just disappears? Bills pile up, expenses keep rising, and saving for the future seems like an impossible dream. What if I told you AI is changing all of that? Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing how we manage our money. In the next 8 minutes, you'll discover how AI can make you financially smarter, wealthier, and more in control than ever before. But first, here's a question. Do you know the number one mistake people make when using finance apps? Stick around because it might just shock you. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered budgeting, your personal money coach. Remember the days of writing expenses down in a notebook? Forget that. AI budgeting apps like YNAB and Walnut now track your spending in real time, categorize expenses, and even predict your future spending patterns. They don't just tell you where your money went, they guide you on where it should go. Imagine this. You're about to order expensive takeout, and suddenly, ding! Your AI app nudges you. Are you sure? You've spent 20% more on food this month than usual. It's like having a financial guardian angel that never sleeps. But budgeting is just the beginning. What if AI could invest your money intelligently without you lifting a finger? 2. Smart investments. AI as your personal wealth manager. Gone are the days of staring at stock charts, trying to predict market trends. AI investment platforms like Zeroda's Nudge, Grow, and IND Money use machine learning to analyze thousands of data points in seconds. They learn your risk tolerance, analyze market trends, and automatically invest in the best opportunities, whether it's mutual funds, stocks, or even crypto. Here's the exciting part. They continuously optimize your portfolio based on real-time market shifts. But hey, before you get too excited, here's a scary thought. What happens if you let emotions dictate your investments instead of AI? Studies show that impulsive decisions cost investors up to 50% of potential gains. That's why AI is the future of smart investing. Now, investing is great, but what about growing your income streams? That's where passive income enters the picture. 3 AI-powered passive income opportunities. Want to make money while you sleep? In 2025, AI will unlock countless passive income opportunities. And the best part, you can start today. Let's be real. Who doesn't want extra income without working 24/7? AI tools can help you automate. Affiliate marketing. AI tools can generate personalized product recommendations and track sales conversions effortlessly. Content creation. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva's AI features allow you to create content for social media, blogs, and YouTube without needing creative skills. Dropshipping automation. AI-powered Shopify stores that handle orders, marketing, and even customer service on autopilot. The internet is full of people making money through these methods. And the only question is, why not you? Excited? Good. But let's address the elephant in the room. Can AI really be trusted with your money? 4. Security and privacy. Can AI be trusted? Here's the deal. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Financial institutions are investing heavily in AI-powered fraud detection systems to protect your data. From detecting suspicious transactions to providing biometric authentication, AI enhances security like never before. But remember, your awareness is still your best defense. Stay informed, use trusted apps, and always double-check before giving AI full control. AI is not just a tool. It's a revolution that can redefine your financial future. Whether it's budgeting smarter, investing wisely, or building passive income streams, the possibilities are endless. But here's the catch. AI can only do so much. The real change starts with you. So, what's your next step? If you're ready to take control of your financial future and explore more ways to make money online, watch my next video where I break down real ways students can generate passive income online in 2025. Remember, wealth isn't just about earning, it's about managing it wisely. See you in the next video.